Budget 4K cameras sound like an incredible deal, but not every model delivers what the box promises. Before you spend your money, let's uncover the truth behind 5 popular budget 4K cameras and see which ones are actually worth considering. Number 5. Frenitt 4K Digital Camera. The Frenitt 4K digital camera is often marketed as an affordable option for beginners who want to start taking photos or recording videos without investing in expensive equipment. On paper, it offers features like 4K recording, a flip screen, and a compact design that seems perfect for travel or casual content creation. For someone upgrading from a smartphone, it may appear to be an attractive first step into dedicated cameras. However, it's important to understand what you're getting at this price point. While the camera performs reasonably well in bright lighting, image quality can become inconsistent in darker environments, and autofocus isn't always as responsive as users might expect. The overall experience is suitable for casual photography and simple videos, but those expecting professional-level 4K performance may end up disappointed. It's best viewed as a beginner-friendly camera with realistic expectations rather than a replacement for premium mirrorless systems. Number 4. Duluvulu 4K Digital Camera. The Duluvulu 4K digital camera has gained attention thanks to its feature-packed design and budget-friendly pricing. It includes conveniences like a flip display, multiple shooting modes, and support for video recording, making it appealing to vloggers and first-time camera buyers. Its lightweight body is easy to carry, making it a practical companion for vacations, family events, and everyday photography. That said, buyers should remember that affordable cameras often involve compromises. While outdoor footage can look surprisingly decent, image processing and low-light performance don't match what you'll find in more established camera brands. Colors may require editing, and focus performance can occasionally struggle during movement. If your goal is creating social media content or learning basic photography, it offers good value, but it's important not to expect flagship-level results simply because the specifications mention 4K recording. Number 3. ZYDIEI 4K Video Camera. The ZYDIEE 4K video camera is aimed at users who prioritize video recording over traditional photography. Its camcorder-style design makes it comfortable for handheld shooting, interviews, family events, and beginner YouTube videos. The layout feels familiar for anyone who prefers dedicated video controls, and the lightweight body allows extended recording without becoming uncomfortable to hold. While the camera offers plenty of useful features, the advertised 4K resolution doesn't automatically guarantee cinematic video quality. Factors like sensor size, dynamic range, and autofocus all influence the final result, and these areas remain limited compared to higher-end cameras. For recording memories, school projects, or casual online content, the camera performs adequately. However, creators looking for professional image quality or advanced video production may quickly notice the limitations that come with cameras in this budget category. Number 2. TEFTMON 4K Digital Camera. The TEFTMON 4K digital camera is another affordable option designed for beginners who want an all-in-one photography solution without spending a fortune. Its compact body, user-friendly controls, and flip screen make it approachable even for people who have never owned a dedicated camera before. It handles everyday photography well and offers enough features to help new users become comfortable with manual shooting and video recording. Still, the biggest mistake buyers make is assuming that every budget 4K camera performs equally well. While the TEFTMON delivers respectable results in favorable lighting, overall sharpness, autofocus consistency, and low-light capabilities remain behind more established camera systems. It's a solid learning tool for casual creators and hobbyists, but users planning serious photography or professional video work will likely outgrow its capabilities sooner than expected. Number 1. eMeet Pixie AI-powered PTZ 4K camera. Unlike traditional budget cameras, the eMeet Pixie AI-powered PTZ 4K camera takes a completely different approach by focusing on intelligent video communication and content creation. Equipped with AI tracking and motorized pan, tilt, and zoom capabilities, it automatically keeps users centered while recording or participating in meetings. This creates a much more professional experience without requiring a dedicated camera operator or complex setup. Unlike traditional budget cameras, isn't simply its 4K resolution, it's the smart technology working behind the scenes. Automatic framing, responsive tracking, and smooth movement make it especially attractive for educators, streamers, presenters, and remote professionals. While it isn't designed to replace a professional photography camera, it excels in situations where convenience, automation, and presentation quality matter most. Budget 4K cameras can be great value, but specifications only tell part of the story. Hopefully, this guide helps you choose a camera that matches your needs instead of just the marketing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next camera roundup.